Okay, so this is quite different from other questions here, that we did. Now we have to find the value of x. We have given the equation. What equation? Sine. We have given sine of bracket sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. This equation we have to solve to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x here. So this sine, if you bring this sine this side, this will become sine inverse. So therefore, this will be sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x will be equal to sine inverse 1. And the value of sine 90 degree is 1. Therefore, sine inverse 1 will be equal to 90 degree. Okay. So we can write sine, you can remember by sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Therefore, 90 degree will be equal to sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 can be written as sine 90 degree. So here we will replace sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 5 by 2, 90 degree. Okay. And you know that one formula, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. If both angles are same, then it is equal to 90 degree, 5 by 2. Okay. So which shows that x will be 1 by 5. From here, if you compare this with this one, so this is x, so x will be 1 by 5, obviously. Directly we can write, comparing with this formula or using this formula, we get x is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So like this, we have to solve the equation to find the value of x. That is, if you have two tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse plus will come above x plus y by 1 minus x y. This formula we will apply. This is our total term x and this is our y as per the formula. So we apply this formula. What will be the result? It will become tan inverse x plus y. So we'll have x as x minus 1 by x minus 2 and plus y is what? This one value. Y is what? Y is this one value. And x is all this one value. So x, here it is x plus y. Y is replaced by this one. So this will become x plus 1 by x plus 2. And this is divided by 1 minus x. This is x into y. And x is what? X minus 1 into x minus 1 upon x minus 2. So x minus 1 divided by x minus 2, multiply it with y, and value of y is this whole value. Okay, so write down x plus 1 by x plus 2. This whole value equal to 5 by 4. Okay, now you can bring this tan inverse right hand side and left hand side. You have to solve to get the value of x. This tan inverse will come on right hand side. It will become tan. So tan 5 by 4. Tan 45 degree. And here, as I told you before also, you have to take the LCM. When you are taking LCM in the denominator. The denominator LCM will become x minus 2 into x plus 2. Similarly, in the numerator also, your LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 2. Okay, when you take this LCM, your first term is x minus 1 will multiply with x plus 2. So x minus 1 into x plus 2 and x plus 1 will multiply with x minus 2. X plus 1 into x minus 2. In the denominator, this x minus 2 into x plus 2, this will multiply whole term with 1, and then minus, this minus will come here, and then x minus 1 into x plus 2. So actually when you take this one in the numerator, so when we are dividing, it will become in multiplication. So this term will cancel with this term. As it is, we will get this in the numerator and this we will get in the denominator. Okay. And now and tan 45 degree, you know that what is the value of tan 45 degree is 1. Right hand side will be 1 and left hand side we got these values. To solve these values, x minus 1 into x plus 2. So x minus 1 into x plus 2 multiply, we get x square, and 2 minus 1, so 1x, and 1 into 2 minus 2. Similarly, x plus 1 into x minus 2 will be equal to x square minus 2 plus 1 minus x and minus 2 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2 will be equal to x square minus 4. A minus b, a plus b. Here we have used what? A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So we get x square minus 4, and here you can multiply, but negative sign is there. So this negative we have stopped here. Now multiply x into x, x square, 2 minus 1, 1x, and minus 1 into 2 minus q. That is equal to 1. So here you can see that plus x minus x will cancel. So we get x square plus x square 2x square minus 4. And denominator, when you multiply this minus inside, this will become minus x square minus x and plus 2. And this minus x square, then this minus x square will cancel with this minus x square plus x square. Okay. And minus 4 plus 2 will be left. So minus 4 plus 2 will be equal to minus 2. Minus 4 minus minus plus 2. So minus 2 will be left. Minus 4. This will be x minus 1 x plus 1. Ah, yes. Make the correction here. X plus 1. This is not x plus 2. This is x plus 1. When it is x plus 1, so then you can make here also some correction. Inside the bracket, we will get x square minus 1. We get x plus 1, x minus 1 is x square minus 1. So now when you multiply, This will become minus x square and plus 1. So minus x square plus x square cancelled, and minus 1 plus minus 4 plus 1 will be equal to minus 3. This is minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Now solve 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3 will multiply on right hand side, and 2x square will be equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1, and x square will be equal to 1 by 2, and when you put square root on right hand side, it will become x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2 is the answer. Okay, got it? Now this is just like the question that we have done in the starting, but here in the starting we got find the value of, in the starting that was most of the questions were in the range, but now you will find this question. For example, this question sine 2 pi by 3. So sine 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3, then what is the range of sine inverse? Sine inverse, range of sine inverse is y is equal to sine inverse. It is a function and its range is x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That means between minus 90 degree to 90 degree. But here you have 2 pi by 3, so you have to check whether it is coming. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees, 6 3 is 18, 120 degrees. So this is more than 90 degrees. So it is not belonging to the interval minus pi by 2. So 2 pi by 3, here relations 2 pi by 3 does not belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we cannot solve directly. We cannot solve sine inverse, sine is equal to 2 pi by 3. No. So we have to bring in this range. So sine theta can be written as, you know that sine 180 minus theta sine theta. Sine, so you have sine 180 degree pi minus theta is equal to second quadrant sine theta. If theta is 2 pi by 3, we will write here 2 pi by 3, here 2 pi by 3. Opposite. We are using in the reverse order, that is sine theta can be written as sine pi minus theta. So this 2 pi, so how we can write 2 pi? 2 pi, we can split the 2 pi in terms of pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi can be written as pi minus pi by 3, because if you will take pi minus 2 pi by 3, if you will solve this, 3 is LCM, 3 pi minus pi, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. The 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3. So it is converted into pi minus pi by 3. Now use this formula in the same order. 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So 180, by using this 180 formula, we can reduce sine inside the range of pi by 3. Now you can check that pi by 3 belongs to the range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So therefore, sine and sine inverse can be omitted and we get pi by 3 is the answer. pi by 3. Okay, so that is very important. Do not write directly sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Okay, it is equal to 2 pi by 3. No, you have to check the range of that inverse trigonometric function. Similarly, tan inverse 17 question, tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. And the range, what is the range for tan? We have to check the range of tan is again minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but not included for tan. The range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Pi is equal to tan inverse x, then x must belong to the open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Both are excluded in between this. So 3 pi by 4, just check 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degree. 45 degree multiplied by 3. 3 5 is a 15, 3 4 is 12, and 13. 135 degree. So 135 is more than 90 degree. So it does not belong to. So 3 pi by 4 does not belong to the range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we cannot directly, sine inverse 10 cannot be omitted. So we have to bring it in this range. So again, how to write 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4 can be written again pi minus 3 pi by 4 we can write as pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 will be equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay. So we will write 10 first, 10 pi minus pi by 4. Yani 1, that means 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta again second quadrant, but second quadrant is negative. 10 is negative in the second quadrant. Therefore, this will become tan inverse 10 minus 10. This minus will come here. First 10 180 minus theta minus 10 theta. Which formula you'll use? 10 180 minus 10 180 minus theta second quadrant. 10 is negative minus 10 theta. We will write minus 10 theta. And one more thing, 10 minus, okay, first you will write this one. So it will become minus 10 pi by 4. And remember, when it is minus, we cannot cancel this. Tan inverse and 10 cannot be omitted because of this minus. So this minus should be removed from here. And in 10, I told you in 10 minus theta minus 10 theta. So this can be written as 10 minus theta. So this can be written as 10 inverse 10 minus pi by 4. 10 minus pi by 4. Negative sign will go inside the angle. Now check minus pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 is between minus 90 and 90. Yes. So now minus pi by 4 belongs to this interval. Minus pi by 4 will belong to this interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So therefore this will become minus pi by 4 is the answer of this question. Okay. So 17 digits, 17 and 16. Okay, understood?